The screen is visible. Is it visible? Okay. So in previous class, we have derived the equation for the most economical triangular channel section. So what was the condition we have got for the most economical channel section? What we have derived? Please tell me. What should be the apex angle? How much it should be? Apex angle?
90 degree.
90 degree. And what about the hydraulic radius for the triangular channel section? How much it should be?
2 by root 2.
Y by 2 root 2. That is in terms of depth of flow. Okay. So this we have derived by taking the trigonometric functions. So now today we will going to derive the same equation, but by considering the depth of flow and the side slope. You can take again triangular channel section. Let us take the side slope. Z is to 1. This angle is 2 theta, and one angle will be, that is theta. Then A, B, C. Then what is this length? The top width. What is this length?
Y.
ZY. What is the total top width? 2ZY.
Y.
Okay. Draw this one. And let us take the depth of flow as a Y. The same. Now, you can derive the equation. Sometimes they may ask, prove that the hydraulic radius for a hydraulically efficient triangular channel section, it is in terms of depth of flow. Okay, so to prove that one, here side slope, that is 1 is to Z, means 1 is vertical, Z is horizontal here. Okay, 1 is to Z given, and what Y indicates? Y indicates what? Depth of flow. Then what is area ABD from the figure? ABD, this you take D. What is area ABD? It's half. Yes.
Into height.
What is height? Half
Y.
base into height, that is AD into BDL, right? Then half Y into ZY.
ZY.
Then you will get half ZY square. Correct? Huh? This is for one triangle. Therefore, total flow area of the channel. Just tell me total flow area of the channel. Area, that is A equal to area of ABC, correct? Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Is it 2 times of area ABD? Correct? Huh?
Yes, yes.
Yes or no? Then 2 into half ZY square. What is the answer you get? Is it correct? I hope you all are taking. Okay. Then from this one, what is Z? A by Y square. Can anyone tell what is wetted perimeter of channel? Wetted perimeter of the channel. P equal to what? Is it AB plus BC? Correct? Huh? Is it AB plus BC? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then what is AB? Or you can write it is a 2 times of AB only. Same. 2, what you get? It's a 2y root of Z square plus
Square.
correct? Huh?
Yes.
Already you have calculated this one. Okay, remember this one. So is it over?
Yes, sir.
Is it over?
Yes.
Sir.
Shall I wait?
Over, sir.
Okay. Then coming to the next, P equal to, substitute the value of Z here. This value of Z,
A by y square.
just here you substitute here. Here. Substitute that one. We'll get P equal to 2y square root of a by y square whole square plus 1. Then simplify this one. What you get here? If you simplify this one, 2y square root of this one a square divided by y raised to 4 plus 1. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then again further you simplify it. Take this LCM y raised to 4, or else take this y inside. If you take y inside, what will happen? If you take this y inside, is it y square? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If we take this y inside the square root, is it y square? Correct? Huh? Then what is the answer you get? It will be a square by y square plus y square. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you understood this one? Okay. Now this is the perimeter equation. Now for minimum perimeter, so is it dp by dy equal to 0? Because with respect to y, we are taking in terms of depth of flow. As the depth of flow varies, the perimeter varies. Then differentiate this one. That is d by dy of 2 square root of a square by y square plus y square. So can you tell me what is the differentiation here with respect to y? 2 as it is. What is the differentiation of a square root of a square by y square? Just tell me.
A square by 2y square.
Is it minus 2 as it is? Is it a square divided by y cube? Correct? Huh? Check this one. Plus 2y equal to 0. Then 2a square y cube is equal to 2y. Then what is a square? A square equal to 2y raised to 4. 2y raised to 4. Then what is a?
Square root of 2 raised to 4.
Square root of 2y.
1 minute is here. It is a 2. Correct? Huh? 2 is there. This 2 get cancels. Correct? Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then what is a? A equal to y square, correct?
Sir,
Is
root
it
of y square.
root of y square? Huh?
No, sir. No, sir. Correct.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then if a equal to y square, what about the z? Z equal to already that is written. Is it a by y square? Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Written here a by y square. Then what is the value of a already calculated? Y square. Y square is equal to 1. So what is the value of z?
1. 1.
Then it is the side slope has become 1:1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This side slope has become 1:1
Yes, sir.
because z is 1. If it is 1:1, if I take it is a theta, what is tan theta? What is tan theta? What is tan theta? I'm asking here. If this is theta, if it is 1, this is 1, what is tan theta?
1 by 1.
1 by 1. What is theta?
Tan inverse of 1 by
45.
45. This angle will become 45. Understood?
1. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. After this one, weighted perimeter. Then substitute in weighted perimeter. What is the formula we are having? Root of 1 plus z square. Then P equal to 2y. What is the value of z?
1. 1.
1. What is the answer you get here? 2y root 2. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is weighted perimeter. But what is hydraulic radius? Formula? Hydraulic radius. R equal to what?
A divided by P.
A by P. What is A? Is it y square?
Y square.
Already calculated. Is it y square?
Y square. Sir.
Then what is hydraulic perimeter? Perimeter. Is it 2y by root 2?
Yes, sir.
Then what is R you get? This is y divided by 2 root 2.
Yes, sir.
Now the same answer you have got what you had already calculated in previous case. Understood now? Look here, in previous case also we have got the same answer. Understood? Understood? So you can use both methods. Any one method you can solve in the exam. Okay, both are simple. That is in the form of trigonometric functions. So this is we have taken in terms of depth of flow as well as the side slope. I hope you understood this derivation, all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so you can comment in comment box here if you understood or not. So all of you write in comment box fast. If understood, say yes. If not, say no. First, both the methods of. Okay, please practice these derivations. They are very, very important derivations. These derivations are very important. So these derivations are very, very important. Wherever I am saying important, you just mark it. So they are the most likely questions in the exam. So for all three questions, see here I given prove that for the most economical triangular channel section, the apex angle is 90 degree, or the prove that the hydraulic radius for hydraulically efficient triangular channel section is in terms of depth of flow. So this is same, or prove that the condition for the most economical triangular channel section. So the conditions for all three different way they have asked. For all three, the answer is same. I hope you understood in what way the question may be asked, right?
Yes,
So, okay, shall I? Now I'll take the numerical problems on trapezoidal section. All of you note it on this question on trapezoidal section. Compute the dimensions of most efficient trapezoidal channel section. So, dimensions of most efficient trapezoidal channel section, which will carry 12 meter cube per second of water. 12 meter cube per second of water, which is laid on a grade of 1 meter per 8 kilometer in earth. The side slope of the section is 2 horizontal to 1 vertical. Take Manning's n equal to 0.023. Take Manning's n equal to 0.023. So here you need to use conditions for most economical trapezoidal section. Then with that conditions you have to get the dimensions. Is it over?
no, sir. Wait.
Right. So meanwhile you take the this figure you draw, side slope, this is the width, and let us take the depth of flow. y. What is the side slope given? What is
Two
the side?
horizontal, one vertical.
Okay, you mark here 2 horizontal, 1 vertical. This is important for marking in a figure. So the question here,
One vertical, two horizontal.
yes, 1 vertical to 2 horizontal. So what are the given datas here? Given data. So what is given here? Q is given. Then what else given? Bed slope is given. You can take it as a I or S bed slope. What is the bed slope given? What is the bed slope given? Hello? What is the bed slope given? You read the problem.
1 in 8 kilometers.
Yes,
1
1
in
yes, 1 divided by 8,000, correct? Huh? 1 because 1 kilometer equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. So it's given 1 in 8,000 means 1 in 8,000 meter, correct? Huh? Then what is the side slope given? Side slope. Side slope is different. Bed slope is different. Side slope is for the channel section. Side slope, tell me. 2 horizontal to 1 vertical. And what else given? Manning's constant is given. Manning's n 0.023. Then what is to be find here? To find. Tell me. What is to be find? Dimensions, that is efficient dimensions, breadth and depth. Now, how to proceed this one? Tell me. First, start from the conditions. Conditions for most economical trapezoidal sections. No. Conditions. First, you have to write the conditions. Conditions for most economical trapezoidal channel section. Tell me what is the first condition? First condition. You all can hear my voice? Hello?
Yes.
First condition of trapezium. What is the first condition?
Half of the top width is equal to one side slope.
Correct. Half of the top is equal to one side. That is B plus 2ZY by 2 is equal to Y square root of 1 plus Z square. What is the second condition? Hydraulic radius is equal to what?
Half of the depth of flow.
Yes. So with these two conditions, we have to solve the problem. Write these two conditions. Is it over?
Okay.
Is it over? Is it over?
Okay.
Okay. Now, in these two conditions, so depth is unknown, correct? Depth is unknown and width is unknown. Z is given or not? Z is given.
Yes, sir.
Then, can anyone tell what is the value of Z?
2.
2, correct. Because Z is equal to, see in this figure, usually we have taken, you all know that is, we taken Z is to 1 generally. Okay. Z is to 1 was the slope in derivation. Now what is the value of Z here? Always horizontal to vertical. Horizontal to vertical. Z is equal to horizontal is how much? 2. 2 by 1. So Z equal to 2. Understood all of you? Understood?
Okay.
Okay, the value of Z is 2. Now substitute here. Simplified. Now, from condition number 1, from condition 1 from condition 1, b plus 2. What is the value of z?
2.
Solve it fast. Tell me the answer. Then y square root of 1 plus 2 square. What is the answer you get? Tell me fast. What do you get here? b plus 4y divided by 2. What do you get here? Y square root of 5. Correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the value of b? Tell me fast in terms of y. Fast. You'll get in terms of y.
Three point five four.
Huh? What is the value of y? B. Sorry, b.
3.54, sir.
3 point, 3.54. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
B is equal to 2y and bracket under root 5 minus 4 by 2.
Finally मेरे को you give me the answer.
2.47y, sir.
No. You don't have calculator, all of you? Tell me the answer fast.
2y root 5 minus 4, sir.
You don't tell the root 5. That root 5 convert it. In calculator you can convert it.
Y.
0.472y. Can't you tell that 0.472y in terms of y? Then also, what is area? What is the formula for area? What is the area?
0.3236.
First tell me formula. B plus zy into y. Now, what is area? What is area? Hello? Are you calculating? What is area?
2.472y square.
Yes, 2.472 y square. Correct. Right. So with this, we have got in terms of y. We don't know the value of y now. Now, we know that that is Manning's equation. Can anyone tell what is Manning's equation now? To get the value of c. 1 by n. 1 by n.
M raised to 1 by 6.
Okay, m raised to 1 by 6. Or here I am taking, instead of m, I am taking r. It is r raised to 1 by 6. Or you may take c equal to 1 by n, m raised to 1 by 6. Both are same. Okay. Then, with this, from this, you can use now q equal to what? AC root of r SO. Then, after calculating this one, q is given. I think q is given, right? Q is given. How much it is? Is it 12? Correct?
10.
Is it 12?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the area already calculated? 2.472 y square. Then the value of c 1 by n r is to 1 by 6. Then the square root of what? R into SO. Okay. So just to simplify this one, substitute the values here. You know the R from the most economical channel section. What is the value of R? What is R? Hello? What is the condition for the trapezium? What is R?
Y by 2.
Y by 2. Okay, what is the value of n given? 0.023. What is the value of bed slope? What is bed slope given?
1 divided by 800.
8, not 800, 1 in 8,000. You all have not taken the problem, you have not written the problem.
Yes, sir.
Then can you tell me what is the value of y now? You calculate y and tell. You calculate both y as well as b. Only one student has posted the answer. Y equal to 2.81, correct. What about others? Nehal?
Yes, sir.
Y equal to 2.81.
81.
Y equal to 2.81, correct. 816,
8186.
818, okay. Then what about B? Because B already calculated. How much is a B?
0.472.
0471.
Okay. Substitute the value of Y in B and tell me the answer B. All of you post your answers. Only one has posted. Mansi Patil. No, what is this value? 1.33 means which value that is? B value, no? Right? 1.33, correct. 1.33. Right? So these are the most efficient trapezoidal channel section dimensions. I hope all of you got these two answers. Mute your audio. Lot of disturbance. Okay, all of you got. Okay. So shall I go to the next problem? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Understood the problem? All of you, how to get the most efficient dimensions with the conditions. Okay. So coming to the next one, next problem, take next one. Write down. I'll give the question to you. Second one. Determine the dimension of an economical trapezoidal section of an trapezoidal channel section of an open channel with side slope 2 horizontal to 1 vertical, laid at a slope of 1 in 1600 to carry a discharge of 36 meter cube per second. 36. I hope this writing is visible to you all. The sentences are visible to you all. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If anything, any sentence, if you're not getting, please let me know. Nehal present?
Yes, sir.
Can you read the problem?
Determine the dimension of an economical trapezoidal section of an open channel with side slope 2 horizontal is to 1 vertical, laid at a slope of 1 in 1600 to carry a discharge of 36 meter cube per second.
Yes, good. Okay, this is the problem. So please, there is a similar kind of problem. Please calculate the dimensions. I'll be back in 5 minutes. So I'll give a time. So all of you calculate and tell me and post your answers also. So those who have calculated, you can post your answers here, Y and B. Apply the conditions of most economical channel section and calculate Y and B. Any data missing here?
N, sir.
Yes, C. C is given 50. Take C 50. C is given 50. Now calculate. Nehal, you have taken 0.023 Manning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Instead of that, you take C equal to 50 and calculate once again. Okay, this is also correct, but you calculate, take C equal to 50 and calculate. Yes, Nehal, answer is, please post your answer. So one of the student that Nehal has posted answer B equal to 1 point. Yes, 1 point. Yes, tell me, Nehal.
1.447.
1.447 and Y equal to
3.067.
yes. So check all of your answer. These answer correct. These answer correct. So all of you got the same answer. All of you got same answer. Please post your answers here. Kampanna 1.48. B equal to 1.48. Okay. Okay. Correct. Kampanna Joni.
Yes, sir.
You got B equal to 1.484. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what about Y?
3.145.
3.145. I think you have taken more number of digits after the decimal. I think that's why you're getting the answer. Anyway, it's correct. Amrut Mane got 1.44. Correct. It's correct. What about others? Others are not calculating, or you are not understood. Only 3 students have posted. What about others? Don't leave the class. I'm taking attendance at the last. Then I'll put absent 3.102. Okay. Amrut Mane.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once again, you check your answers. Almost it's correct, but the decimals. It's 1.447 I got and 3.067 I got. Yours are also correct, but once again, check it once. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After the class. What about others? Not posting your answers. Akash Dane 3.067 correct. Y. Mansi correct. Correct answer. Lokesh Mijji okay. 3. Manoj Gowda okay. Others also calculate. And those who have posted the answer here, all are correct. Good. Okay. So now I'll give one problem assignment. Okay, please take this assignment. The third problem. This is the answer. Please check the answer. You write on the assignment. And next class I'll discuss that one. A trapezoidal channel has side slopes. These all problems are taken from the question paper, video question paper. Side slopes of 1 horizontal to 2 vertical. 1 horizontal to 2 vertical. And slope of bed 1 in 1500. The area of the section is 40 meters square. Find the dimensions of the section. If it is most economical section, take C equal to 50. Also determine discharge. Amrut Mane present.
Yes, sir.
So can you read the problem?
A trapezoidal channel has a side slope of 1 horizontal to 2 vertical and slope of bed 1 in 1500. The area of the section is 40 meters square. Find the dimension of the section if it is the most economical section. Take C as 50. Also determine the discharge.
Yes, good. Okay. So take this problem as an assignment. So next class, you all tell the answers for this, and you can share that whatever the problem is solved in your page, you can share that page here. So we'll discuss about that one. Okay. So with this, I'll wind up the today's session. I'll take the attendance. Please give your attendance. Okay. I hope you all have taken this problem.
Yes, sir.
Is it over?
Yes, sir.
or you want me to wait for another 2 minutes?
No, sir.
It's over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Just I call a name. Please tell your attendance. Shruti, present?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Chopekar, Srinivas Hatti, Abhishek Biradar, Abhishek Borgalle, Akash Davne,
Yes, sir.
Akshata Hatti Katigi.
Present, sir.
Why you are absent last 2 class, previous class?
Sir, I am not well, so I am not attending classes, sir.
Okay. Apeksha Agadi, Arvind Rathod, Arud, Arun Kumar, Darshan Jirli.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾಕ್ರಿ absent ಇದೆ ದರ್ಶನ್ 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ previous?
Sir, there is network problem with this.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದೋದು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ. ದಯಾನಂದ್ ನಾಗರಾಳ್, ದಯಾನಂದ್, ಗಣೇಶ್ ಪವಾರ್, ಗೌಸಿಯಾ ಬೇಪಾರಿ, गुरुप्रसाद, हर्षिता पाटिल, इंद्रजीत पाटिल, जुनैद,
Present, sir.
कार्तिक जुंत,
Present, sir.
कंपन्ना,
Present, sir.
कुमार लमानी, लोकेश मिज्जी,
Present, sir.
मल्लेश पुजारी, मल्लिकार्जुन चिम्मलगी,
Yes, sir.
मंजुनाथ भजंत्री, मनोज गौड़ा,
Present, sir.
मेघा दळवाई, मुत्तु पुजारी,
Present, sir.
अभिषेक जालीगढ़,
Yes, sir.
अबू बकर,
Present, sir.
आदर्श शाह, आदर्श, आकाश चौहान और अक्षता पाटिल,
Yes, sir.
ओके, अमृत माने,
Yes, sir.
अनुश्री रामायणौर,
Yes, sir.
बसवराज पुजारी, बसवराज हनगंदी,
Yes, sir.
भाग्यश्री पाटिल,
Yes, sir.
भारता,
Yes, sir.
भावना, चेतना,
Yes, sir.
भावना प्रेजेंट,
Yes, sir.
ओके, चेतना, दानिश मिर्जी,
Yes, sir.
दानिश प्रीवियस क्लास यू आर प्रेजेंट,
ಸರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट दर्शन मेकलमर्डी, JLM विश्वनाथ. You all can see this Excel sheet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here I'm putting the present absent. Okay, so this is the record I'm maintaining. Okay, JLM Vishwanath, Gangadhar Nanoji. See, your parents' number also I'm having here. Those who are absent, I'll call them. Gangadhar Nanoji absent. Gayatri,
Sir.
Gomtesh Koth, Guru Prasad, Harish Kittali,
Yes, sir.
Harmalkar Chandrasekhar,
Yes, sir.
Hitesh Katare, Hitesh, Irshad Ahmad, Kajal Pawar,
Sir, present, sir.
Irshad present,
Yes, sir.
Kajal, Kalgundkar Sahil,
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi Manguli,
Yes, sir.
Manjunath Gudennaur,
Yes, sir.
Mansi Patel,
Present, sir.
Murugesh Teggi,
Present, sir.
Nakshatra,
Yes, sir.
Namokar,
Yes, sir.
Nandita,
Yes, sir.
Nehal,
Yes, sir.
Nikhil, Kattimani, Drupatunga, Omkar,
Yes, sir.
Pawan, Elgudri, Prajwal Bagalkoti,
Present, sir.
Omkar, you are present yesterday?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Abhishek brother present.
ಏನು ಇವಾಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದೇನೋ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಆಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ನಾ ಕರೆದ್ನಿಲ್ಲ 2 ಸಲ ಕರೆದೆ.
ನಾ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಾರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Anybody else? Again, I'll post this in your group. You can check the present and absentee number. So this is the record we maintain. So later you should not tell I was absent, I was present, absent. Okay. Today by evening or I'll be sharing the link. You can upload your assignments. Okay. So with this, we'll wind up the today's session. So we'll continue in the next class. And